Okay, I'm going to show you today how to make these mountains. Very easy, very easy to do. All you have to do is make your layout with foam, and after you've done that, get some plaster-scene, as you can see here. Go outside to a large rock, press it against a rock, and you'll have the mold of that rock on that plaster-scene. Now that will stick, that will keep its form for a very long time, and all you have to do is place it where you want to make your cliff or your mountain, and pour some plaster in. Now when that dries, you should have a very nice cliff formation. You can reuse this as many times as you want, and it's very cheap, and it's a very easy way to make cliffs, mountains, riverbeds. So I found it very easy, so I think you will too. We're just going to let this set for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll take the plaster-scene off, and you should have a nice formation of a cliff. So try it. It's very simple, very easy. This one was done about 10 minutes ago. Then I do them step by step, and it turns out brilliant. Looks good, as you can see on the side of the railway. It's all done with plaster-scene. Thank you for watching. Let me know how yours turns out. Thank you.